Approach Series Rubber Threshold Ramp Installation Instructions. The Approach Series Rubber Threshold Ramp is easy to install and easy to customize for a perfect fit inside or outside the home. The Approach Series Rubber Threshold Ramps are available in the following sizes: 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch ramp base, 3 inch extension kit, 4 inch extension kit, 5 inch extension kit. For a custom height, the Approach ramps 1 inch and above have a cutting guide to give you a custom fit with an easier cut. Please exercise caution when using any cutting tools. To install a threshold sizes 1/2 inch to 2 inches, simply place the Approach ramp snugly up to the threshold. Make sure that the height is correct and that the ramp does not cause a tripping hazard. Check that any doors can still open and close. For a threshold size 3 to 5 inches, you will need to connect the ramp pieces together to get the desired height. No special materials are required to connect the ramp pieces. Just line up the ramps and they will stay in place. Start from the largest extension kit and work your way to the 2 inch ramp base. Here, we will install a 5 inch approach ramp by first placing the 5 inch extension kit up against the threshold. Then, place the 4 inch extension kit in place, pushing down to make sure the pieces have interlocked correctly. Repeat for the 3 inch extension kit. And lastly, install the 2 inch ramp base. And then you're done. The Approach rubber ramp can be placed on a Celebration anti-slip fabric, sold separately to keep the ramp in place.